And today we are doing the, what is it called?
Pizza mukbang.
Pizza mukbang. We have the box here from Pizza Hut. Go to your local Pizza Hut today. We are not supported by Pizza Hut, but we trying to get there. I'm just playing. But we do have the box from Pizza Hut. We got some juice right here. Mukbang. Let's go.
Y'all, this was his idea to do his mukbang. It was
True that.
not mine.
Yeah.
All I really cared about was getting some food because I was hungry.
And I'm really a food guy. Everything I do, I try to base it around food. So that's what I do best.
I'm just hungry.
Let me
I
get
don't
some
care
of this
about that.
picture.
Yeah, I don't know if it's me, but this pizza is good. And it's still hot. And we've been out for a minute. So, you have a topic you want to talk about? Or we just eating pizza today? Since this was your idea. What we doing? I'm just here to, support. And get this pizza thing out there for you. Oh, yeah?
Mukbang.
Well, y'all finna just watch this
Do
video.
you taste any seasonings up in there or anything like that? What's your favorite pizza spot? I'd say that.
My favorite pizza spot. I used to like Pizza Hut a lot,
Oh yeah.
but now I just go for quickness and go to Little Caesars or something like that. Or because I don't like to wait, I just do the pizzas from Walmart and really call it a day. What about you?
I done worked at a couple pizza spots, but I gotta say, Pizza Hut ran killing it with the wings. I ain't gonna lie about that one. I say Pizza Hut too, because Pizza Hut was what I went to as a kid. Up in college, I remember just walking down the street going to Pizza Hut and stuff. So,
Pizza Hut be having good stuff. And this box did come with breadsticks, but I'm really not a fan of just breadsticks like that. So I substituted my breadsticks for mozzarella sticks or cheese sticks, whatever you want to call them. Cause I can just eat cheese like all day. And yesterday I was craving mozzarella sticks from Sonic. I never went, but today I got me some cheese sticks, and I think I'm gonna eat this whole little thing of cheese sticks. I can't tell yet. But I can't eat this whole box right now because, y'all, I'm hungry. We ain't ate all day. This quarantine crap is just a mess.
true that.
Like, I'm bored. So, I really irritate him. Most of the time. No?
I irritate you. If we're being honest.
Sometimes you do.
Because I just pull you across the bed and get on your nerves.
Yo, he be pulling me like he's some kind of superhero or something. I like it, but then sometimes I be like, man, you hurting me.
No.
Last night, he had me like a kid, like I was riding some kind of airplane in the sky. Y'all, he was hurting my little ribs. But, I love him, so it's alright. We good. I should still be sleepy though, but I'm not. We went to sleep at 1 o'clock. Doing pretty much nothing. Just talking and playing. We was watching YouTube videos, but me, scrolling through Facebook, back and forth between Facebook and YouTube. Because that's pretty much my life when I ain't working.
What is some stuff that I've been watching on YouTube? What does it majorly consist around?
Food. Because you want to be a chef. Well, not if you want to be a chef. You are a chef. But you don't have your own food truck. Y'all, he is a chef, by the way. So, if I end up getting fat before my wedding, y'all know why. And since he in quarantine,
This ain't the one. That's no good. Right here.
and since we in quarantine, his job was affected, so he just be coming up with all kind of stuff to cook. But I still work, so sometimes I do be hungry, real hungry. Like I be starving. Be like a fat person sometimes. Right? Hmm?
What?
That's how I be like a fat person sometimes. Cause I be so hungry.
Stop it.
And then you watch a lot of gaming stuff on YouTube. But mostly it's just
Yeah,
food.
trust in their wings.
Are they good?
Yes. We only got 6, so 3 apiece.
Oh, that's cool with me. I'm more focused on the pizza.
Matter of fact, slide this one here.
Y'all, this wing is good.
Okay.
But, to me, his wings, the soft one, his wings be better to me. But I can eat these all day though. What you think about them?
They good.
Like little or just? Alright.
They good.
Oh. So what else you trying to talk about? What else you got for me?
Why are you over here eating like this?
Huh?
Why are you over here eating like this?
Cause it's a mukbang.
Yeah, that don't mean you done threw all your manners out the window, lady.
Yeah, he always getting on to me about something. It be funny to me, though. I can't cuss. If I use cuss word, then my nickname go from, babe or mama or something like that to go save about. I do that. Alright, y'all. We back after some technical difficulties. He full. And I'm not so full right now. But in order for us to, keep some of this pizza for later, because this was a big box. We just gonna start right here. We might, do another video with some other kind of food, like Taco Bell or something. But right now, it's a wrap. It's done for me. And he tired, so we finna go to sleep. Or he finna go to sleep, and I'm probably gonna edit this video. I don't know, but whatever. You wanna finish?
Appreciate you for coming to spend time with us. This was really video all of me. This was lecture on her channel. I got a channel, but I just be on YouTube looking stuff up. Anyways, that's us.
Ooh, Oh Lord.